Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and I want to talk about this amazing product that I have here for acne or blemishes, and it's called Truly Gone. It is made by Truly Clear. So this stuff helps to reduce the redness of blemishes. It has hydrocolloid, which helps the infected area remain moist, which promotes healing. With this patch, it protects against dirt and external contact. You can use it prior to makeup application to help keep acne from being infected by the cosmetics. So you do have two different size patches, which you can see there's an 8mm and a 12mm depending the size of the acne. So as you can see, I have 3 spots right here. I use the 2 different size circles. I left it overnight, and you can see one is a lot better and flat and less red. The other 2 are not painful anymore and went down a lot, so I will have to treat it again tonight. But these work fantastic. You wake up and they are not painful or swollen anymore, and you continue to use until your blemish is gone. They work fantastic. This is a product that I'm so happy that I found, but that's just my point of view.